Hi, I'm Barbara Rodriguez-Mendel, presiding judge of the Maricopa County Superior Court. In designing a 21st century court tower, we consulted with all of the stakeholders who use the courtroom. And one of the most important people who come to our court are the victims. We wanted to design a courtroom and a courthouse where everyone, including the victims, would feel safe. So we asked them, how do we design that courtroom? I'm standing here in the mock-up of the large courtroom that will be in the court tower, and I've got Bob James here to help me discuss the victims' rooms. Bob, tell us a little bit about what the victims' rooms are and how they will be used.
Sure, Judge. This is really, I think, puts this court tower on the cutting edge in the United States. As far as we understand, we're the first court in the United States that's actually developing a courthouse specifically with the respect and safety of victims in mind. So this is one of the more unique innovations for us to make that a reality. The victim room, we're right now at the back of one of our courtroom mock-ups. And the victim's room is going to be behind every courtroom with the ability of the victims to view everything that goes on in the courtroom. If a victim feels more comfortable staying in the room, not being in the gallery, not being subjected to all the things that are going on in the courtroom, they can stay in there. If they need to express their emotions when there's something particularly tragic being said within that trial, they can do that and not be disruptive to the court. So they have that respect of being able to really feel what's going on and yet not influence the trial in any way. We've even gone as far as providing them a separate entrance to the court. So instead of having to come through the main area where they might have to confront the defendant's family or friends or so forth, out of respect for both parties, they're able to come through a separate entrance. And if they need to go all the way up and testify in the case at the witness stand, they can do that in a way that doesn't make them feel unsafe or subject to any fear or intimidation by anybody.
One of the experts we consulted in helping us configure a courtroom that was going to be safe for victims was Janice or Judith Heerwagen.
Right.
And she told us that victims felt particularly vulnerable whenever they went into the bathroom, used the bathroom, and they would run into maybe one of the defendant's family members. How were we able to solve that problem?
Well, pretty basic. We gave them a bathroom. So in the victim's room, there's a bathroom that's only accessible to the people that are in the victim's room. So, I mean, we've really gone to great lengths to make sure that a person coming into this courthouse that has been the victim of a crime feels respected, feels safe, and feels like the justice system is there for them, not for everybody else necessarily.
Thanks, Bob.
My pleasure.
It gives me great pride to say that we have one of the most unique courthouses, and we will have in 2012, that is designed to take the needs of the victims in mind.